Unearthed an MCW file from an old Macintosh disk and modern Word just won't open it? This is a legacy document from the early days of Word for Mac. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you recover and convert these classic Mac Word files. The simplest approach is coming. We will talk about a powerful third-party MCW file, inspection utility that extends its support to hundreds of different file types. Users encounter .mcw files when dealing with very old documents created on Apple Macintosh computers, typically with Word versions 2.0 to 5.1. Their primary goal is to access and convert this legacy content into a modern format like .docx or .pdf, as contemporary software may no longer support it directly. The MCW format is a proprietary binary file structure, a precursor to the more complex OLE formats used in later doc files. It was designed for the resource-constrained environments of early Macintosh systems, prioritizing efficient storage of text, basic formatting, and embedded objects specifically for the classic Mac OS. The MCW extension has a direct link to the Microsoft Word for Mac application by Microsoft. Document fidelity is only assured when opened with a dedicated program adhering to the standard. Windows supports basic document visibility, though deeper editing requires proper tools. We need to check all possibilities. Right-click the MCW file and select Open With. If Microsoft Word for Mac is there, use it. If not, choose a different program. It's often a simple matter of finding the right software hook. When your MCW file does not open, it is usually a small issue. This is where the real troubleshooting begins. Let's challenge the file by testing these known weak points to find out where the error is coming from. First, converting with LibreOffice. Install LibreOffice and open the MCW file directly through File, then Open. LibreOffice's import filters handle classic Mac Word documents, preserving text formatting and basic styles. Save the result as DOCX or ODT for modern compatibility. Next, using Mac conversion tools. On macOS, try opening the MCW file with TextEdit, which provides limited support for legacy Word formats. For better results, use the free MacLink Plus or DataViz Conversions Plus utilities, designed specifically for converting classic Mac document formats. Finally, recovering lost files. If the MCW file lacks resource fork data due to cross-platform transfer use, the bin hex or Mac binary decoders to restore the original structure. Tools like the Unarchiver or Stuffit expander can extract properly preserved Mac archives back to readable form. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.